Welcome back, guys. In the last video I brought you a tutorial for the Dark Souls save editor, which gives you the ability to do things such as change all your stats and your items and whatnot. One of the things a couple of you have been asking me about is what to do with the backup, in case you need to restore it or you want to just back it up, how you would recover it just in case. But basically, once you get going with the Dark Souls save editor, what people are referring to, if you haven't seen the last video, and I'll post a link for you, is it automatically takes a backup if you choose for it to, but automatically asks if you want to take a backup of your file. This backup contains all of the save data on your flash drive, so like all of your save game slots, not just one of them that you're working on. So anyway, say you have this backup, you've clicked yes, and then you go on to edit all of your stuff in this program, which I went over in the last video. But now say you found you did something that you didn't like and you want to go back and fix it to how it was, or you found a save game on the internet that you really want to play, somebody's done something cool, you downloaded it from somewhere, etc., etc. With this program, you just need to go to the directory it's in. In the download link I gave you, it's all in one nice folder. There's a folder called Backup, and in there you'll find a file called DRAKS0005. This is your saved data. Now, in order to restore it, you need to use a USB Explorer program, which I'm going to give you guys a link to also. Now, open that up, and what you're going to do is click Open Device Selector and choose your USB drive that you have your save game on. Now it's going to look a little confusing, but the good news is you don't need to know but so much about this to use it. What you want to do is go to your data partition and just kind of keep browsing until you can find something with the same file name. If you click stuff, it'll keep expanding most of the time, even though it doesn't have one of these expansion icons. But usually it'll be right underneath of one of the numbers you have here. So a lot of you will probably just have one number. But as you can see, most of these have a ton of stuff in them, or a few things. This one only popped up one, so that's our best shot. If you keep going down, we eventually find the save game. So what you want to do, first of all, there's two things you can do once you get this point. You can create your backup manually. By doing so, you would right click it and click extract, and pick where you would want it to go, and you would save it, and your backup will go where you saved it. It's the same thing as this one. This one's just pulled by the other program. So you have your backup here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this backup I just made. Okay, so it's not deleting right now, but anyway, let's just pretend this backup is this backup, and I've copied it to my desktop. So I don't actually have to change my backup state. But if you want to restore backup, you would right click the save data in the USB Explorer, and you would do inject instead of extract. When you click inject, you pick your save game you want to restore it to, open it on up. Oops, file already exists. So actually what we need to do is right click it and delete it. So it's empty, and then we need to inject our save game that we have, our backup, and it'll put it on in there where the other one used to be. You need to be careful and make sure you leave it how it was. So if you end up with no save state here, or somehow you have two, or something like that, that's wrong, and it'll probably corrupt stuff. So you just need to be careful when you're doing this. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple from this point on. As I said, you can restore your old save games. You can create backups at very different points. Maybe it's useful for maybe you're speed running and you want save games so you can practice certain bosses over and over, or download ones from the internet. There's a whole array of things you could use this program for. So it's pretty neat. I thought I'd share it with you guys, especially since some of you were asking about what to do with backups. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, as always, to give me your feedback. Let me know what you're thinking. If you have any questions or anything, I'll try my best to answer. And all that rating and whatnot, and YouTube nonsense always helps out too, I suppose. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Also, remember, I will always post a link to the website. I have the file on. A lot of times people have a nasty habit of stealing my videos and posting fake links with fake programs. So just make sure you're on the right site when you're downloading. But aside from that, enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching the videos as always, and I'll bring you something new soon.